Hi all, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be looking at high converting product pages, what you can take from them and how you can implement it on your own e-commerce store so you can get more conversions and higher conversion rate. Okay, so for today's video, I have chosen 3 different e-commerce stores that have really high converting landing pages and product pages. We're going to analyze them, we're going to see what they're doing, and you can implement this on your own website. So the businesses are Gymshark, Manscaped, and Hey Harper. So let's start with Gymshark. So the first thing you notice is that they have really high quality images. Now the images also show the product from every single side. You can see front, back, side, also from afar, and you can see also the neck here. High quality images are really important, because if your images are not high quality, you would look like a scammer, or you would look like a business that's just starting out and people won't buy. The next thing you'd see, they have all of the different colors. So the same t-shirt, but in different colors here. You can also see right from going into the landing page, you'd also see the reviews. You also see if they're running an offer at the moment, which is really important to show in every single page if you're running an offer. You can also save it to your wish list. You can see more details about the promo here. Again, the colors, sizes. You can also see that they have Klarna and Afterpay. Now, Klarna and Afterpay, for all of our clients, I recommend you installing them, because Klarna and Afterpay really allow people who can't afford your products to be able to afford them, because with Klarna and Afterpay, they can pay in a couple of installments interest-free, which is key, interest-free. So they can pay, let's say, instead of paying $20, they can pay 4 times by $5 each week, I believe, is with Klarna. So it makes the product really inexpensive and affordable. You can also see some extra information here. The return policy, again, extremely important. People need to know if they get a wrong size, especially with clothing and jewelry. When people buy rings, they need to know if they'll be able to return the product if they don't get the right size. So this is highly recommended. Next, we have the delivery times and also free delivery over $75, which will increase your average order value, because people want to get free shipping. People hate to pay for shipping, remember that. And last, we have express shipping, free over $150, which again, extremely important, that you offer free express shipping over a certain threshold. Then you have description about the product, delivery and returns again. You can see the comments. Now, this is what Gymshark does really well. When people leave reviews, they review sizing, length, comfort, quality, and value. So this is really important, because they can see, for example, this t-shirt, it doesn't have the best sizing, it doesn't have the best length, but it's very comfortable, very high quality, and value for money is on the excellent site. You can also see you might like, which again increases average order value, and people also bought, which again increases average order value. Scrolling down, that's it. They have the footer. In the footer, it's really important to show all the payment options and any extra information that people might need. But as you can see, the product page is very clean. There's no unnecessary information here. So the only thing that's here, it's the product, information about the product, showing them other products that they can buy, and that's it. Now going to Manscaped. Now I chose Manscaped because they don't have as many products as Gymshark, so it's going to be interesting to see their product pages. Now, you can see their product pages, again, very high quality images. You can see all of the products individually. Now here is the whole bundle. And as you can see, extremely high quality images, which is, again, very important. Again, same as Gymshark, they have the deal here. Product information, you can also see that they have a free gift. You can choose the different boxer size, quantity. They have an upsell here, which is the Performance Package 5.0 Ultra. Again, free shipping. Really important. I'm gonna repeat myself. People hate to pay for shipping. 30-day money-back guarantee. Again, really important. This builds customer confidence. Then you have the Platinum package. Again, same thing here. The Perfect package and all of the different products. But as you can see, again, the trend that is here, it's simple product pages, high quality images, product description, and customer confidence. So free shipping, 30 days money-back guarantee. One thing I can't see at the moment is the reviews. So let's see if they have them maybe on their homepage. They're a pretty big brand, so I would assume they should have their reviews somewhere here. Now again, probably these guys can improve by showcasing their reviews better, because let's say for example, if I'm new to this brand, I would need to see the reviews. But again, you can see extremely well made product page, extremely well made. So if you guys want to take something from here, the way they have structured it, highly recommended. This is another good thing, comparing the different packages. So we have good, better, best. Obviously the best is going to be the most expensive one, but again, it will have the highest discount. You can see 55%, this one is 50, this one is 32. Then here they are comparing what are the extra items that you get. So here you can see the testimonials. They have only 4, but they might be leveraging because they're a huge brand. They advertise a lot, like a lot. I would assume they spend millions of dollars every single month. So yeah, all right. And moving on to Hey Harper. This is a jewelry brand. Couple of things here. Again, very high quality images you can see. Product description, not a lot, just the sizes. You can see here size and weight, composition, and again, you can see lifetime color warranty. You can also see that they have 451 reviews with 4.7 stars on average. This is amazing. The delivery times, and again, Klarna. You can see pay over 3 installments of $14, 14 euros, sorry. Then you have the add to cart, and you can see all of the different images. Again, really high quality. Then you can see here more information about the products, their assurance that the color won't fade. Here they are building more customer confidence and some reviews. Styled by you, I think this is amazing, showcasing how it looks on other people. Really good. Of course, you may also like, so trying to sell you on more products, and the footer. So again, one of the most important things are high quality images, Klarna and Afterpay, so people can pay in a couple of installments. Very simple product pages, all the information people need, reviews, information about the products, and recommending other products. So yeah, I think that's about it. So if you feel like you need to optimize your website and get higher conversion rate, just check the biggest brands in the space. They are doing everything correctly. Because, for example, if Manscaped is spending millions of dollars every single month on ads, even the slightest change, the slightest improvement in conversion rate is going to mean a lot more money for them. So they're spending a lot of money on this. So see what they're doing. They're doing it right. And yeah, thank you for your time, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.